YouTube. It's Magda, personal trainer and online coaching. If you guys need a way to build your glutes at home, use some resistance bands. It is quick, easy, and efficient. And with everything else, there's no quick fix when it comes to reaching a fitness goal. Nutrition always plays a major factor when it comes to definitely reaching your goals. So pay attention. You know, my ebook is available. I have meal plans on my website to help you with macronutrients or to balance out your meal plan. So that being said, let's get started, and I'll show you these top moves to perform at home or outdoors to help build your glutes using resistance bands. Before you perform any exercise, always warm up. Warming up is key to help to prevent your muscles from snapping or popping. So you need your muscles to be well warmed up before you perform any type of exercise routine.
One look and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go in and out of one thought, and we break. Airborne as we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. In and out. Get me through all the layers of you. Get me through. In and out.
Those are good, definitely. Feel it in your hips. Always, thank you for watching. If you need help with your fitness journey, make sure that you visit my website, magdasonfitness.com, for online coaching and personal training. We're located in northern New Jersey, so if you want to train with me, that's a way to do it. And I'll see you next time, right? Say bye-bye, Paige. Alright, spacing.